is a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man down in New Orleans. Now the only thing a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk. And the only time when he's satisfied is when he's on a drunk. Now, mothers, tell your children not to do what I have done. Spend your lives in sin and misery in the house of the rising sun. Now I've got one foot on the platform, the other foot on the train. I'm going back to New Orleans to wear that ball and chain. Well, there is a house in New Orleans they call the Rising Sun, and it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I'm one. House of the Rising Sun. Lead vocals, Eric Burden. Number one in the UK and the USA in the year 1964. The Animals. Incredible British group, The Animals, with their incredible lead vocalist, Eric Burden. If you like my singing, my name is Tom Kitch, Tomkitch. You can write to me on the computer at tomkitchmusic@yahoo.com, all small case letters, or you can send me a picture postcard from your hometown or from anywhere on the road to my P.O. Box 81442, San Diego, California, 92138, United States of America.